imagine returning back to college after being out for 15 years? I thought it would be very daunting when the time had come for me to enroll in school. Fortunately, because I had mentors in place, it made my transition back to college easier than before. My name is Isolene Taylor. I'm Comms 101, and I am here to speak to you about my topic of opticianry. Mentorship is not just for the mentee. It gives the mentor a sense of accomplishment and the chance to be a good steward. Therefore, having the proper tools you can give someone the opportunity to succeed. Mentorship goes hand in hand with opticianry. So therefore, I would like to speak to you about mentoring someone in the opticianry program. In the past 10 years, I have had a mentor. Therefore, for me, it has prepared me to be the best to my mentees. For my mentees, I am able to give them what has been poured into me. On a monthly basis, I mentor 12 young ladies, teaching them the biblical principles based on Titus 2, 3-5. Also, I have served as Women's Ministry President for 2 years at my church. Serving as Women's Ministry President gives me the opportunity not only to mentor and a way of showing women how to live a life pleasing unto God, but also showing them the right way to raise a family and to be the woman that they should be. Mentorship is needed at every level in a person's life. Some of us have mentored others. Dr. Nichols have mentored others. You have residents that you mentor on a regular basis. And Shelby, as a licensed optician, has mentored, and you've also done, for lack of a better word, training for those in there. And your husband as well, as a licensed optician, has mentored others. So I'd like to thank each and every one of you for sitting here listening. And I want to impress upon you the most important part, especially Carter, when you mentor. You have people that you show every day how to do things. And in your previous field, as a rocket scientist, you have been able to show them things that will scare me to death. However, showing them the things and the fuels that you'll use and the different numbers, it's really good. So it's very important for you as a mentor, and now in the field of opticianry, you see a lighter field here for you. Dr. Nichols has been in this field, how many years, Dr. Nichols?
13.
13 years in the field as an ophthalmologist. Shelby is a licensed optician. I will present some material to you. The research, it shows my main points. And point one, mentor is really needed. And that's what we just talked about, the mentorship. It helps to strengthen the faith of an individual by helping him or her in the field of study. And then my third one, it is something which God values and is supported by Scripture. With all that said, I am now ready to present my main points. My main point, today in Florida, too many abused and neglected children will go to court with no one there to stand up for them. Someone to be their voice. Children need their voice. What if your children needed someone to be their voice? You would certainly hope that the person working with them would be a good mentor for them. Presently, I have volunteered to go on and take on a child, to be an advocate for an infant who is about 2 months old now. Her mom is currently incarcerated. They needed someone to step in and to help support the baby and to be the parent that she needs. I'm awaiting fingerprints now, so had I not been in a position to where I was mentored and realized what the mentorship program did for me, I would not be able to advocate for this child. A mentor assists with the mentee. Under Shelby's leadership, daily I work under her, and she shows me things that I need to get on through opticianry. So therefore, it's a good field for me, and Shelby does an awesome job in helping me with that. If it had not been for positive mentorship, I would not be able to serve as an advocate for anybody. So for if I do this thing willingly, I have a reward, but if against my will, dispensation of the gospel is committed unto me. So now that I have identified my first point, that brings me to my main point. If I can do one thing on my journey to heaven, It would be to teach the elementary principles of God, helping someone learn to do those things which will help keep them on track as they move forward in ministry. So if just doing one thing, daily thing, I just like to speak into people's life as a mentor and say, hey, a job well done. Thank you for teaching me the things you're teaching me. Thank you for being available when I need you to be there to show me what to do for the patients. And thank you for being the moral support that Shelby needs at home so that when she comes to work, she's not going crazy. So it helps to have a mentor. And so you would notice that they will, along the way, the children will learn that being a mentor and having a mentor is very important. So I'd like to stress to you the importance of you being a mentor and staying in charge of what you're doing. Mentorship is needed not only for women, men, and college students. The need stems way past to the need of a representative for children. If there is to be advancement for all involved, then we should consider the task of mentorship. Has there ever been a time when you may have run into some difficulty in school, on your job, or in court, where you needed a voice for you? If you answer yes, you were in the need of a mentor. Therefore, consider keeping your eyes open, looking for someone who has been in your shoes. Be a mentor. Go out and always keep someone available. Always keep someone under your wing, showing them where they need to go. Because for me to have you guys as a mentor was very awesome. And I appreciate you being here today to mentor me along the way.